let's be honest, this journey seems hard, seems overwhelming. You're beginning to tell yourself, this may not be for me. Maybe I should check out of here and go try something else. You've been posting videos, you're still stuck at maybe 30 subscribers. And then before your very eyes, yeah, you're seeing some creators blow up every other day. And you're asking yourself, what's happening to me? Why not me? I can tell you, it's not only you. That is what happens to every creator, every beginner. Those big people you're seeing that they are blowing up, they went through this particular phase you're going through, okay? It is just normal. But in this video, because I suffered the same fate in my first channel, it took me over 9 months before I could get my first 1,000 subscribers. And so I took that knowledge into this particular channel that you're watching, and I discovered that when I put in everything I had learned, within 9 to 12 hours, I got my first 100 plus subscribers. And that's exactly what I want to show you in this video. So it's not as overwhelming as you think. It is just that you have not hit strategy to get those subscribers in. And it's not just getting the subscribers. When you get the subscribers in, what next? Will they watch your videos? That is going to be another discussion for another video. But in this particular, showing you step by step how I got my 100 plus subscribers within 9 to 12. A 1 to about 30 days, you'll find in 1 month you would have gotten over 3,000 subscribers. That is if you do strategy the I'm going to show to you. So stay tuned. We are going to dive into that. Welcome back to Grow with Peggy. I am the face behind this channel where we talk real YouTube growth, not hypes, not shortcuts, but a space for creators who genuinely want to grow their YouTube channel, because organic growth is the only thing that can make you see those things, get those things that you actually came to YouTube to get. And what is it? Monetization, isn't it? Organic growth is the only way. We don't do shortcuts here. We don't just hype. So stay tuned. Let me take you on the step-by-step journey, how I got those 100 plus subscribers on this particular channel just within 9 days. Okay, so we'll go straight into sharing my screen with you. Now, I'm calling up my new channel, calling up the channel now. This is the channel, so I go straight into opening it for you. Okay, so we are on 284 already. I was talking about 140 something, but I'm saying 284 already, so you can see it here. Okay, so what did I do? All I did was, this is where you need your pen and paper. I think all I did was go to my search button, search for a popular trending video. If you have a name of a channel that is popular, you can put the name. But if you don't have a name of a channel, you can just type in trending shorts. Trending shorts. Okay, type in trending shorts. Now you're going to see a lot of trending shorts. Don't just pick anyone. Search through to see the one that has high engagement, that is high views. Okay, so right now I'm seeing 7 million on this one. I'm seeing 1.4 million on vidIQ. I'm not going to use vidIQ. So if I take this one that has 7 million views, to get more views on your next YouTube short. Okay, if I take this, all I'll do is do if you come to this side of the screen, you're going to see this particular icon. Click on it. Now you see collab. That's collaboration. So you click on collaboration. Before you click on collaboration, you must have copied the exact title for that particular video. So let me go back. I will go back now. Now, what's the title for this video? It says 5-second tricks to get way more views on YouTube. That's the title. So you copy the title down. Then you come and click this particular button. Do your collab. Okay. When the collab opens up, you click next. Click next. Guy, play fast. I don't want this to be too long, please. When you click next, okay. Come on. Now, it will bring you to this interface. On this interface,
you want to check your microphone. Why are you checking your microphone? To turn it off so that your own audio is not interfacing with the audio with which you want to collab with. Okay, so you turn off the microphone. If you want to do any adjustment here, you can do whatever adjustment you want to do here. Okay, then you click here and then you start recording your video. The video is going to be playing, then you also just give some reactions. Wow, you give some reactions, it will record and then it will stop, just like you're seeing it here. You go ahead. If you want to put a text, you can click on text and say more views or whatever it is, more views. Okay, depending on the video you're using. This one we are using is talking about views, so you say more views. Depending on the video you're using, you just put the text according to that, then you click on next. When you click on next, you come and do your normal optimization. This is where it gets really tricky. That particular title that you copy, the original title of the video, is what you want to put in your title. Then look out for the hashtags that were used on. Once you do all of that, if you have a related video you want to attach to it, you do all of that, optimize, and then you do upload. Just sit back and allow this video do the magic for you. That was what I did, and I will continue to do that on this channel so that I can get my subscribers to a point with which I want them. If this video was helpful to you at this point, I would like you to actually give us a subscription, turn on your notification buttons, because all we do here is do research and bring them your way so that you don't have to suffer what we suffered in our first channel. Okay, so let's build a community of learning and growing on YouTube together. Until I see you in the next video, make sure you engage with me. Ask all your questions in the comment section. I am just right there waiting to answer you.